how to open or extract a RAR file on your iPhone. If you need to open or extract a RAR file on your iPhone, here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the RAR file. First, open Safari and download a RAR file. For example, let's say you download sample 1 RAR. Once it's downloaded, it will be saved in the Files app. Step 2. Locate the RAR file, swipe over to your Files app and search for the downloaded file. When you tap on it, you'll notice that it doesn't automatically extract. But don't worry, you can use the built-in Shortcuts app to extract it. Step 3. Create a shortcut to extract the RAR file. 1. Open the Shortcuts app. 2. Tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. 3. In the search bar, type File and select the file action. 4. Tap on File, go to Downloads, and select the RAR file you want to extract. 5. Next, add another action by searching for Extract Archive and selecting it. 6. To save the extracted files, search for Save File and add that action. You can either set a specific location or choose one each time you run the shortcut. 7. Rename the shortcut to something like Extract RAR by tapping the drop-down arrow at the top and selecting Rename. 8. Tap Done to save the shortcut. Step 4. Run the shortcut. Now, go back to your shortcuts list and tap on your newly created Extract RAR shortcut. It will ask where you want to save the extracted files. Choose a location like Downloads and tap Open. Step 5. Verify the extraction. Go back to the Files app and you'll see the extracted folder or files available. If you need to extract another RAR file in the future, just open the Shortcuts app and tap on Extract RAR, or tap the 3 dots to select a different file. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports me. Thanks, everyone.